Well, Senator Scott Brown was on the campaign trail today touring medical equipment manufacturers and talking about the national health care bill. Here's WBAN's Martin Morenz with more on this.
Senator Scott Brown toured Belmont Instruments today. The medical manufacturer makes a blood transfusion device used in the U.S. and by American forces in Iraq and Afghanistan, where it has saved the lives of soldiers and civilians.
We tend to focus on the need, the clinical need for the patients to really make a difference in their outcome. This is very obvious. They're bleeding out, they need a way to pump it back in, and it's warmed and it's safe.
Senator Brown talked about the national health care bill and how it hurts businesses with additional taxes. He is working on legislation to eliminate the medical device tax.
They just put a major expansion in here. They're doing some amazing life-saving work. Every medical device company I've heard from and visited has said it's going to crush us. They're already looking to ship things overseas. They're already readjusting, laying off, and it's for Massachusetts, it's a job killer.
Senator Brown has been in a near tie with Elizabeth Warren in the polls. He has raised $3.4 million since January in his campaign for re-election, nearly 3/4 of the money from local contributors.
We're going to have the ability, I think, to raise the resources we need, but this is going to be about choices and about differences. You know, somebody who's a rock thrower versus somebody who's a problem solver.
Senator Brown says he has visited more than 350 businesses since he was elected. He says this has enabled him to research companies and file legislation to create and save jobs. In Billerica, I'm Martin Morenz for News at 10 on WBIN.